Dog, I thought I'd just do this for you. Show you how I do it. Got utility knife. Got end nippers. Got side cutters. I got small side cutters. I don't think I'm going to need these. Hemostat. A tweezer that stays shut. Wire snippers. Soldering station. Instrument cable. Jack. So, I'm going to do this first. Piece of paper. Flux. Revive. Step 1. Take off my glasses. Step 2. Score off some of the cable. Now, I don't cut all the way through. Then I use my alternate wire strippers. I don't bite down with these. All I do is I get a grip on the cable so that I can... That wasn't so good. Let's do that again. Demo effect. So we're going to strip, bend it back, make sure we didn't cut through, but almost. Stick that in there, pull it off. Perfect. Nothing in there. This cable has a diagonally twisted shield. That's the kind that's easy to get off. So, got that off. Iron. Iron's good and clean. Tin. Now this is a Teflon jacket. Take the iron and I cut the tip off of the jacket. Snap it around like this. Boom. Now we're going to tin that. Oh yeah, that's why I had these. Now, as you see, I'm going to twist this around, and we're going to push it up a little bit. Now we're going to take a look. That's going to work just fine. That's going to work just fine. So, take my hemostats, crank the shield down, and now trim off some of this. Okay. Liquid flux. Bingo. Suck. 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 There she is. And normally I would do the other end, but I don't really have any need for a patch cable right now. I would do the other end, and I would take one of these. Now I use this on a different. Show you how that works. Glasses. Old cheap patch cable. Plug it in like this. Plug it in like this. See, tip is connected. The sleeve is connected to the sleeve. It's also connected to the ring because this is a mono plug, and there is no ring. Tip is connected to the tip. Sleeve is connected to the sleeve. Ignoring that, so I know that it's good right away. Great things. It tests all kinds of cables. 40, 50 bucks and you got it. So buy one. That's that. And I guess we'll just call it a day.